policy aims to bring state employees back into the office and limit telework, but some say it could make state government jobs less competitive with private businesses. Capitol Bureau reporter Jackie DeFusco is live in the Digital Center to explain why. Jackie.
Hey, Deanna. Well, Governor Glenn Youngkin believes that effective solutions come with regular in-person interaction in the workplace. But at a time when state government often struggles to compete for employees when it comes to pay, one expert tells me there are likely downsides to limiting flexibility.
Governor Glenn Youngkin directing the first update to Virginia's telework policy in more than a decade. The changes impacting more than 55,000 people across 65 state agencies. The new rules, effective July 5th, say Virginia state employees will return to the physical workplace. Coming back before then is highly encouraged, but not required. The policy also directs agency heads to, quote, inform employees that teleworking is a benefit offered to employees rather than an obligation of the Commonwealth. Those who want to continue teleworking will need to seek additional approval at increasingly high levels depending on the number of remote days they're requesting, ranging from the agency head to the governor's chief of staff. In a statement, Governor Youngkin saying, quote, these updates balance the demands of government services with the needs of our public servants. The change is part of a bigger shift, as studies show productivity did not suffer because of remote working, and many workers prefer the flexibility that it offers. That's according to University of Virginia Business Administration professor Roshni Ravindran.
There is no going back to a pre-pandemic normal. So we have to have a new approach, and that's in most cases a hybrid approach.
But she says the state's policy is more rigid than what many in the private sector are offering, which she says may present challenges when it comes to recruiting.
If they want to stay competitive in this market and retain talent, which is really hard to do these days, they need to be able to match and exceed people's expectations.
Now, for state employees who want to continue to telework, applications for remote work start today and are due by May 20th, we're told. Submissions will be reviewed by June 3rd. Live in the Digital Center, I'm Jackie DeFusco, 8 News.